We are looking at what we see as being the most important biological obstacles there are to treat brain tumours more effectively. We believe it's very important that we have an all-human laboratory.
So we want an all-human model. So it is quite important for us to, because different species work differently or will behave differently. Everything that we use is a human-derived component.
Blood-brain barrier is very important because it protects the brain from toxins. We're reconstituting a model of the blood-brain barrier which we can keep alive over a number of days using human cells, and we can use that to study the passage of drugs across that barrier. And then we can also use it to look at cancer metastasis. So breast cancers and lung cancers, even kidney cancers, can and do spread into the brain. And when they spread into the brain, the prognosis for patients takes a dive. So if we can stop them from spreading to the brain, we can give those patients a better expectation of longer survival or cures.